Hi, I'm Elaina. You can find me on Wow Presents Plus, Painted to the Raven Season 2, available right now. On my channel, you'll see different drag looks like this, celebrity impersonations, drag impersonations, face paint, beauty looks, you name it. Check it out. All the videos are all over my channel. In today's video, we're reviewing my Kimchichic Beauty PR that I just received, and one of the things was this palette, and this is called Holy Sharts. It's effing bright. Clearly. I love the name. This is what it looks like when I create this rainbow drag look. So if you guys are interested, you're going to see swatches, a little short application, and the final thoughts at the end. So keep on watching, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So let's get right to this video. First of all, thank you Kimchichic Beauty for sending me over the PR. As you guys might know, I've been receiving PR for a while because I'm on Kimchichic Beauty Squad, and you can use my discount code Elaina Glam, and I get small commission if you purchase through Kimchichic Beauty. You get 15% off, and I get commission. So this is what do you call it? Hashtag ad gifted. We need to disclaim this. So as you all know, get this out of the way. This is the Holy Sharts. It's all effing bright. First of all, I love the concept. It's funny. You might know me that I like my immature sharts, farts, and poop jokes. I love it. I love anything to do with poop. So this is the palette. It's obviously the flying saucer. It's like space, kimchi in space, I guess, with the Holy Sharts. Are they traveling on shards, like with the power of shards? Powered by shards. Anyway, so this is that 40 colors. So it has 40 shades. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has only 7 shimmers, which I like the shimmer to matte ratio. And I like the variety of colors. And like I said later, I just wish there was less the same colors and more variety of different colors, because some colors are very, very close. Literally blend them and they look the same. But it's a nice concept. I like it. So this goes with kind of goes together with the Holy Fairy Tale. So if you guys own Holy Fairy Tale, you're probably gonna want to get this one because they look the same with the size. They're both 40 shades. And they both, see, I kind of go, one goes with the other. And a similar concept. So I see this is kind of a, you know, look at the same story. So this is $40 for 40 shades, very decent. So I think they priced it correctly. And also they sent me this small nude one. And I was like, nudes? Seriously, how many nudes do you need? Well, some people don't do bright colors. And it's actually, I was gonna poop all over it, to be honest. Talking about poop jokes, right? But it's cool tone nudes, and I love the cool tone nudes. I actually kind of switched it a little bit on my hand already. The dark brown is real dark. It's really deep, and I like it. And there's only one shimmer, and like there's a lot of taupe looking colors, like real light. I actually like this for like traveling, if you say so. Like I would travel with this myself, even though I love bright colors. But when you go somewhere on vacation, you don't look like this every single day. This is really actually cute. I like this. And this little palette is 12 bucks, and that's a very, very fair price. Again, for 10 colors, 12 bucks. It's pretty good pen size. So, and another thing that they sent me, well, they sent me something else, which is a secret because it hasn't come out yet. So I can only tease you with that. It's very fabulous. It's very sparkly. Something's coming out soon. Anyway, this is a fan, and this one is $35. So we're going to be doing this look with a palette. In the next clip, you're going to see me apply, not apply swatches. I filmed swatches before this earlier, and then short application, you know. So guys are interested and you want to collect the Holy Fairy Tale and the Holy Sharts, it kind of goes along. It's the same theme. So this would be a good thing to buy if you're a collector. 40 bucks with discount code, not bad. So without further ado, let's get into the swatches and the application. So these are the first 3 rows. I painted all the way to our armpit. because I can't be bothered. It's too much work. Very vibrant. See, mattes, extremely vibrant, beautiful. Reds, green, blue, I mean, all of this. Bright pinks, I love it. Love it. Yellow, excellent. So this is the last two rows. Again, very vibrant, very bright. Even the light yellow, look how opaque and bright it is. That's what I like about Kimchi. Like some other brands, they put bright colors. Even the lightest colors, they're still very opaque and have pigmentation in them and not transparent. Okay, let's get to another talking video. Not gonna be too long because, I mean, nobody got patience for that. But we're gonna review this Holy Sharts. It's so effing bright. They're after my heart. You know how much I like poop jokes. But yeah. So this is the palette. You already saw the swatches. So there you go. Go into rainbow formation. I mean, this is asking to be rainbow, right? I wanted to make it all matte, but I put a little bit of shimmer here. So we're gonna do this. I did a similar look before, I'm pretty sure, but you know, just to test the palette, we're going to deep blue. And actually they have names. There are a lot of, it's a SHE ton of shades. 40 of them. And they have names. That's called Neptune. I already started because I'm trying to make Instagram reel. My cat's Instagram has been very popular lately, and mine is like, oh, I have like no new followers, barely any comments, but it's my own fault. I'm not very active. I spend more time with cats than myself. So I need to do what I'm doing for cats, because I'm doing something right there. Blends perfectly as usual. It's such a pretty deep blue. Like the other palette that I have, Holy Fairy Tales, pastels, but it's like, it's pastels, but it's not quite that pastel, you know, there's depth in there too, and there's some pigmentation. So I already did the drag base, obviously, as you can see. I haven't done like a drag look, that's my own, not like a personation in a while. So I'm anticipating this. And I'm all baked, so I'm not worried about fallout. Going to the purple. We're gonna go pretty much purple. Then a little bit of pink, there's Big Bang. Waveless, Big Bang, Star Blazer, a little bit of that. I didn't go too deep into red because the red is darker than the purple, if it makes sense. It has to be like the same depth, otherwise it won't work. And we're gonna use a little bit of atomic pink, just a little bit, and oranges, Comet, infrared, no, not infrared, I'm gonna use Fireball, excuse me. I forgot what I was using. And a little bit of this yellow, Saturn and Starship. You know, I was saying, like, when I was doing swatches, that the yellows look very similar, like a lot of colors. And I find myself dipping into, like, similar colors. And they're kind of very similar, you know what I mean? I wish there was a little more variety, or the palette was smaller. But they wanted to go with the same aesthetic as the other one, the Fairy Tale. I understand the purpose, but I wish the colors were a little bit different. So I added a little pink off camera. And because I was making that stupid Instagram reel, I keep forgetting what I'm filming Instagram, what I'm filming YouTube. I think Instagram matters more, right guys? Unless you like watching YouTube more. I know I got some comments, people saying they would rather watch more of a long videos on YouTube than Instagram reels. But it seems like the trend is a majority people not having patience for this kind of thing. Most people want Instagram reels, TikToks, quick and to the point. And I'm not very great at being quick and to the point. I like to talk. But, you know, that's why I'm not going anywhere on social media, because I don't do what's trending. It's a beautiful transition of the rainbow. Blends very easily. Got the crease off camera, and we're gonna do just a very simple crease. We're gonna like sharpen it later. I'm going to go with shimmers actually. I was gonna do like all matte, but I decided to go with beautiful shimmers. Gamma Ray and Kryptonite. Green, yellow, and a little bit of this teal blue Venus. It's like a very oceany bluish color. It's very, very pretty palette. The other thing I wish it had a black, as usual. I always wish the palette had a black. But the brands are never listening. Except for Blend Buddy. Blend Buddy knows what's up. And I wish there was a white, but you know, you can't have what you want. That's a really pretty green, I love that. And we're going to Venus. I was just looking at the palette to see if there is a Uranus here. Because I mean, it's called Holy Sharts, it's gotta be Uranus. And there is the bright blue one. Why is the anus blue? Well, there is no brown in this palette. I don't know where I'm going with. So we're gonna actually blend it with Uranus. Blending it with the blue. And going back to Neptune, the blue one, and then, you know, blue, green, and yellow, just like here. Green is actually Space Invader. Interesting. Oh, this is all space, right? You know, all those flying saucers. You know, I've been using a lot of this brush cleaner. The one that sent me in PR. This one. Cinema Secrets. And I made a dent in it up to here. But it kind of goes slowly. It really a little goes slowly. And this is one of those things, like, you know, sometimes they send you things in PR and they say, wow, this is real cool, it's great, but is it worth my money? I'm gonna repurchase. But this is one of those things actually I am planning to repurchase once I run out, because this is the best invention ever. I'm living for this makeup brush cleaner. The makeup look is done. Very, very snatched. Like, don't talk to me. I'm evil. I like the evil brow. So everything is kimchi, of course. The base was all kimchi. Foundation, concealer. The contour stick was Anastasia Beverly Hills pink. That's the only thing I use non-kimchi, I think. The powder was Puff 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 powder, Tailor contour, Tailor bronzer. I went to Miami, and Tailor blush. It was Mercedes. The pink and orange kind of mixed together. And I used a little glitter from one of Kimchi palettes as well. And the lips was Kimchichic and Trixie Mattel in Pink Fantasy. Look at this too. Girl. And now the last step is left to do is to use the fan. Let me zoom you out so you can see everything in it. So I'm so impressed with this because I don't have a fan like this, and I usually use flip the fan, but although this is not as dramatic as flipping it, but it's so cute and it works. I already played with it. I played with it and I played with every single cat. I put it in their faces and they're like, ugh. They gave me that cat stink face. Ugh. One of them got real spooked. Poor Alec. His tail was like this. If you ever seen cats' tails go from being scared, that's what it was. We're gonna use Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I barely ever use it, to be honest, because my makeup never moves. Anyway, let's do this. Hear that? Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. And it's dry. Actually, yeah, it does dry your setting spray faster than, you know, obviously the fan, because it's more of a electric thing. I highly recommend this. This is actually a real cool thing. Like, out of everything that they sent me this time, for some reason, like, the fan shook with me. I'm so simple and easy to impress. I was like, yes! Yes. I can't be dramatic with it, but... And also, you know what it is? What it's good for? I'm thinking when I get ready, when I go out again in drag, I only glued my wig here, to be honest. This is all sticking out because it's just for the video. But if I'm going out, I want to glue everything with the setting spray, got to be glue gel. This to dry the glue, the got to be gel. Oh, this could be awesome. And usually I use the dryer, the hair dryer, but this is gonna be so much better. So that I love this fan. So yeah, the palette is amazing. I do highly recommend. Use Elaina Glam discount code for 15% off on kimchichicbeauty.com. So let me know what you guys think. Let me zoom out some more so you can see. Yeah, here's my wig. I haven't worn in ages. So let me know what you guys think. Are you planning to buy this? It's already out. I mean, obviously it's been out. So if you are planning to buy it, use my code. Comment below, like this video if you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel and ring notification bell if you haven't yet. So follow me on social media. The links are in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video. Bye!